Therefore, baban kasngi, awalam sipi da unang yanam news.
Because when you look at our people and you see them gathered here, this is the face of a matrilineal society. This is the face ka durkhmat chonga chait panre ba ai chait kne kadainam dai na kata lani osngi pi kadainam dai na bagi wanhang ne ban sakhi i wanhang ne ban ai ka juban ka jongi bagi riti ki dustur kin im dainam dai na bagi ni kisngi kila batai kini kiramba ki ongba ki jingkren hina yosgo ki ongba ki ain lapas la belong an ka kamra pate hakidai hakir dorbasnong haki sengkentai ki babaro sikata biot piyam pikang biong ailam yangi penginyatrai nakacing bahaga cai menriu kiseng samla matan iba walam ikren ya kata kacing terang jong disamla ya kalau wei kebadan cikerman kadai nam dai na kata bat menta kacing kerpat kacunga kadai kadai bangin ya trailang ban pelong urlong ya kacing terang kacai menriu ban kiu syekmat ban yo ya ka yo kakot ban yo ya ka kam kacam hanrei bagata kacing long lari ti kecongi kong kacai menriu ajat kmi kanne sasi hajar snem bat palat hangne paradok prasnam ke isu kawai ka isu ka ba tameni ka ba hakasngi ka bangi kendu your governor on the day we met you sir you raised the issue of drug problem you raised the issue of the danger to our society to the danger to our youths to the danger to the whole of Meghalaya because of the fact that this unseen hidden and malicious problem is going into the deep veins of our society, and if we do not tackle it, sir, like you aspire, we will be nowhere. The state will be destroyed. Therefore, na onge pipai ba bakane kacing ma kabadan menta khamtam kacing jelai utrak sakaleng saudong menta kaski idai ban ay ka jubal lap kajongi bangin yale persyayu nakayen kasem hakasnong katau haka it kihima bar hapok kajala kajongi. We are fortunate that we have here our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tensong, who was himself one of the CMs, one of the Chief Executive Members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Sir, I thank you because it is due to your initiative also that these bills have become acts. It is your compassion, it is your understanding, it is your farsightedness that these have become bills. These bills have become acts. It is also our commitment today that there should be, in fact, an understanding, a deep understanding between the autonomous district councils and the state government. Because without this understanding, there will be mistakes made. We need to defend our land. We need to preserve our land. Kakandau kasiapro kadai kabangi donkam, bang pendek pensa, bat kadai hangni ba, la kumno ro ngi habhiban ai, kajing itu ya kata kajing tibriu ka sarkar manakani, ba ya kata ka section 34, hapo kata ka Meghalaya State Promotion Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act. Kaan kekendon an ke imat la kumno pia bakla ban tap ke kendon an ke baong ba hakmat kan kan yap kalan transfer act kan yap kiriti ke dustur dan ngai ibu chief minister laong ngilaweng no kan yang kalan transfer act kan yang ki an jongka autonomous district council kamtam ki jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Na hapan ay kublero iba titas kai. Na maros nam arpu way. Hakapor papilong siyam. During the time of Mr. Titas Kai, when he was CM, he brought in to law a very important act. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District, Regulation and Administration of Land Act. In this act, the land tenure system of the Khasi Jaintias within the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District is protected, is recognized. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council within their land acts to bring in development, to bring in industrialization. Finally, because CM mula inga umpay wat paslam nomor alpor tang san minit ngakarpa dia pi bangin pena pensa ya kamensem jong ajing eteli that we have to stand united, that we are to defend the foundations of a matrilineal society. Manginyadai kacai penliu ajak ni hapadang kita ki bakwa pan penduk nak pan ajak kwa lani ajak mereka. Hapadang kita bakwa pan warai ki an khala. Hapadang kita ki bakwa put ya kita ki culture ya kita ki rukam im ki balong khala yang ni. Kadai kapor yang ni menta kum ki rambakur kam ki rambakur pangkerpa ini. Hapo kani ka amendment jong ke District Council Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council menta ki ai kapori pi ban trei hok bisar hok ya dai ki baduk ki bastam. Kata kadai ki kerpat ki cuma. Ya ka Jaintia Hills District Council marhang ni ngidon yo President Bai jong ka dorbar ki hekur uma perkhat salah kila ya le tang pan ong ya ka Jaintia Hills Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council tu pelong anyo bagi ramba kur ki jong ngiru apa Jaintia kin yo ya ka jo kabor don bok man hakani ki le the delegation namar nga ngadi unong ai put ai bor jong ki ki kendo UCM uma thambor siwat ula ai ke kular ba ladam la ban le ka ai ru ai de extend border ha ba ka kenpang ya wai ka bakun to ai bu play bari bu sumaringi u play u ba ai ni kalat pan im kalat makin penjan ni ki ti stor ki jongi nantu ki dorbar kur ki dorbar snong ter bu undon rekat pani ha bakut na ai ro ya ka kublai ka jing ai kublai snam tmai ba uneu snap unlong ba bahu pahai unlong ba saiso yang kisen yaki kor kijat yaki stong kublai sibun ublai undon rekat pani to ai bakan ka dorbar kan long ka dorbar ka pakentang ban haba pilat siem sob habanya perkhat sob haban rai banginya trai kamtam ban pene ya gariti ka dustor jong ka jai penriu ai jai kni jong. Thank you sir so much.
Buat paman kesini, subscribe ya ke channel Undang News. Kublai Shibu.